Hello, lovelies, are you all right? I'm very well, I hope you're well. And I've got lovely recipes for you today because I'm back in the kitchen and I'm going to do two, not one, but two recipes. And they are both my special recipes that you have sent in. The first one is a curry. And it can be as mild or as strong as you like. And you can make it with some veg you've got in your garden. I've got these courgettes here. I nearly lost my chilli powder then. I've got these courgettes here. They're not so beautiful, but that doesn't matter because they go in a curry. And a butternut squash. I love a butternut squash. Some onions, a bit of garlic, some chillies if you like fresh chillies. You don't have to. Some chickpeas if you fancy chickpeas, very nice. Tin tomatoes, garam masala, cumin, turmeric, and a bit of chilli powder for extra. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is a my special recipe from our friend Sue. She says it's special because she was cycling to Wales for her 50th birthday, like you do, and she stopped off in a youth hostel. She wanted something to eat, but it was the chef's night off. She wasn't expecting much, but the warden whisked this up in a trice and she said it was delicious. So she's passed it on as her special 50th birthday cycling to Wales curry. All right, so I'll get on with it in a moment. We're going to switch to Betty in operation mode. All right, see you in a bit then, lovelies. Try now.